The Triple Diamond Electric Sharpener by Mercer has 3 stages of sharpening and is perfect for quick, heavy-duty knife sharpening in restaurant applications. The 3-stage system sharpens straight and serrated edges with precise angle guides that eliminates the guesswork of manual sharpening. This easy-to-clean and compact sharpener by Mercer is perfect to have on hand to keep your knives sharp.
As professional chefs and restaurant owners, we wanted equipment and appliances that were more practical, durable, and efficient. As hands-on food industry experts, we needed better food display options, freezers, and kitchen appliances that simply did not exist. So, we created them ourselves. And the results are now installed in commercial kitchens across the globe. Coolmore only manufactures high-quality, fully certified, reliable, and convenient commercial kitchen and food display products that meet or exceed standards. Coolmore.
Snack on perfectly preserved meals when you're enjoying the great outdoors with the iVation 25-liter portable electric cooler. Don't let the name fool you. This compact 2-in-1 container keeps your food hot or cold whenever you want. Whether you are at a picnic or barbecue, take comfort knowing your hot food stays warm and cold food stays cool in this easy-to-carry unit. Power on your versatile cooler with the built-in AC power cord and DC adapter for home or car use. Then, simply flip the switch on top of the unit to heat up or cool down the food and beverage compartment. Whether it's a cold soda can or preheated meal, this cooler will keep everything you pack preserved and fresh once the right temperature is set. Spend time under the sun, then settle down for mealtime with fresh, delicious food and drinks. With the built-in carrying handle and lightweight design, bringing this cooler on any trip or to any outdoor event is no hassle at all. The unit is also energy efficient. Leave it plugged in to reach an optimal temperature, then take it with you anywhere and have everything packed inside stay hot or cold for hours. Carry well-preserved food and refreshing beverages on all your outdoor adventures with the iVation 25-liter portable electric cooler.
Meet the Ninja Air Fryer, a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. It ensures even circulation of hot air around your food for quick, crispy, and golden finishes every time. The secret is the combination of a wide temperature range while powering the fan that automatically adjusts speeds for your temperature setting. This allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries using little to no oil in a family-sized 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. The wide temperature range gives you the ability to roast, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack. With a Ninja Air Fryer on your countertop, you can pull crispy meals out of thin air.